So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and ask Qwen for links as we like. So to do that, you can enable the search feature right here. And let's say, for example, say something like list 10 websites where I can learn about quantum computing right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, it actually goes ahead and utilizes the search feature right here and then gives you the sources, as you can see right here. And it also goes ahead and gives you the details right here, as you can see, like links right here on where you can learn all of these as well. And this is how you can go ahead and do that. You can click on, let's say, for example, some link right here, just like this, over here as well. So you got this particular link right here, that's GitHub repository and so forth. So you can simply go ahead and access those out as you like as well. So you can see these particular links over here listed on the right hand side. So if I were to go ahead and click, then you can see that this is what you have right here. So that is how you can go ahead and ask Qwen for links by enabling the search feature. It accesses the internet and searches out the internet for content and gives you the links accordingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.